Now my question is, sir, when compared with Java, Python, oh, full trending, growing language, right? The very speedily growing language is the Python when compared with Java today. Like now, sir, if you observe, what is the most recent version of Java? Java 11. Java 11 should provide support for Java 10 or not. If I install Java 11 in my system, Java 10 program can run on Java 11 or not. If I install Java 10 on my system, is it going to provide support for Java 9 or not? Java 8 or not? Java 7 or not? Okay, please make sure, sir. Every new version software should provide support for all old versions. Remember this, every new version software should provide support for all old versions, right? That's why this feature is also known as backward compatibility. This feature is also known as backward compatibility. If you install Java 11 in your system, it can provide support for Java 10, Java 9, Java 8. Advantage is every new version should provide support for all old versions, right? Okay, well, so same way, now I will ask the question, Python 2. If I install Python 3x, 3.7 or 3.6, like, is it going to provide support for Python 2.x or not? Sir, Python 3x is not advanced version of Python 2x. Remember, Python 2x, it is one language. Python 3x is not extension to Python 2x. It is developed as completely independent language. That's why Python 3.x version won't provide support for Python 2.x. Remember this one. In Python 2.x, sir, do you know long data type is there, which is not there in the Python 3.x? Regarding in Python 2.x, do you know if you want to print hello, like this I'm taking, sir. So parentheses are optional in the Python 2x, but in Python 3x, parentheses must be required. Print of hello, parentheses must be required, but in 2x, do you know parentheses are not there, are optional, but here must be required. That's why, so it is completely developed as new programming language. That's why backward compatibility is not there. Python 3x, there is no guarantee it is going to provide support for Python 2.x.